I'm just like so out of breath, you guys. Like, do I really feel like doing this right now?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Do I really feel like watching this 2-minute makeup tutorial? I don't know.
I'm boarding at the windows, looking at my heart. Start nodding my head like yeah.
Hey guys, it is me. Hey guys, it's me, Julia. So today, I was gonna bring you guys the trying to recreate the most disliked YouTube video. But,
yeah, that failed.
You can't find the most disliked makeup video. So, after scouring the internet for hours, I'm really out of breath. Wow. After scouring the internet for hours, I gave up. And then I was like, okay, I guess I'll have to use YouTube's really cruddy rating system. So
You're sitting there laughing. It's not funny.
$75,000! So I spent all this time scrolling to the bottom, and what do I find? A live stream. And what's right above the live stream? A tips and tricks. Oh my god. This light is so bright I can barely see. A tips and tricks video. So I was like, yeah, this doesn't help me at all. Not at all. So then I was like, what if I just do the best, like top rated makeup tutorial and test it out? Because honestly, it wasn't like a famous video. It was like someone normal doing a coral summer makeup tutorial. Dua Lipa, Wendy Williams.
Dua Lipa.
Wow, she really picked a bop for her thing. So first, it looks like she's prepping the skin using like a moisturizing primer. So I guess I'm going to do that too, but I don't have a high-end version. So I'm just using Nivea Men and putting it on my face because I'm just that cheap. And as you can tell, I have an open pimple wound on my chin that I'm just going to rub into the bottom, honestly, because do I care at this point? No. I would like to say yes, but considering I just rubbed, pimple juice all over my face, I think the caring has gone down significantly.
Ew. Okay, I just touched something gross.
Oh, my skin. Oh, okay. That makes sense now. I'm just like so out of breath, you guys. Like, do I really feel like doing this right now? I don't know. I don't know. Do I really feel like watching this 2-minute makeup tutorial? I don't know. Is that what people think when they watch my videos? Yeah, that's what they think. So now I know how it feels. So she's rubbing it in a lot, and oh, she's priming her eyes. So I can do that. So she has an Inglot primer, but I'm just gonna use this like Too Faced one. Again, I don't have all the goods. Like, she got that nice Inglot primer. I really don't. So we're just gonna rub this in because I'm trying to make this tutorial as good as possible. But the only thing is, I'm only allowed to like do what she does. Like, I'm not allowed to like cheat. I'm not about that life. No.
Memories seep from my veins. It may be empty, or weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace.
Good. It's still filming.
We're not dead yet. So, oh my god, I feel this pimple burn. Okay. So she's using the Jaclun Hill palette. Thank god I have it. And it looks like she's taking the lightest shade, Silk Cream, and putting it in her transition right there. So I'm going to do that and taking it with this pointer brush. Oh my god, now she has an Inglot palette. Wait, did she not set her primer? She didn't set that. Girl, this better be a good technique because, like, is primer supposed to dry? Like, I don't really know how primer for the eye works because I don't use it. But she, like, didn't even conceal it. She put the primer on and oh my god. Guys, I don't know if I like this. Like, oh my god, ew. My eyes are literally so veiny. I already sound like a Kardashian. Like, I'm saying literally, like Oh my god, and I just said like. I'm saying those two words way too much, and I just want to apologize for that. I know you had hope in me to like not say, oh my god. I know you had hope in me to not say those things, but oopsie. You can really tell how veiny and red my eyes are. And you may be wondering, Julia, you know, why do you have mascara on? And the answer is truly I don't know. Yeah, so that happened. But wow, this girl, I'm actually liking her. You know, she starts off her video with a bop, okay, a bop and a half. And now she's already using the Jaclun Hill palette, which I have. Like, thanks, girl. Like, already better than the Taylor Swift makeup tutorial I tried watching. That was a live stream. Like, I kid you not, it reminded me of me and Ella. There were two girls. They, like, were making a Taylor Swift makeup tutorial, and all they did was put on, like, red lipstick and do their hair in a side part. I was like, me! But they were cute, so, I mean, I'm supporting. I'm full-on supporting. I liked the video, by the way, so I don't even want to be like, you're being mean, you're being rude. I liked their video, guys. Wait. Okay, that was really fast. I said that like how JoJo Siwa says it. Like, I love the video, guys. Okay, so let's just get into the next part of our thing, because I'm wearing a sweatshirt in 90-degree weather, and that's not really going well for me right now, so I'd like this video to be fast. So she's using an Inglot palette and taking an orange shade. Again, we don't have that, so I'm just gonna mix Little Lady and Firework on my eye. So I'm just taking a little.
Can you tap off the excess on your finger? Oh my god!
I've never used this shade before. What is wrong with me? I'm just packing on Firework, which is super red and not coral at all. You know, love it, and love being good at telling which color is which. And then I'm just taking Faint and Little Lady, and I'm just hoping that makes a coral.
Oh, look at that, Liz! Oh.
$1,000 sheets, waiting for you on some $1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 on repeat. Back shots to the beat of on you.
I guess I'm just gonna start blending the edges. Okay, she is. Aw, thanks, girl. Shade Hunt from the Jaclun Hill palette to the outer V and blend. Like, I'm really trying to make this good. This better be good. So Hunt, is that real? I don't know. Hunt. Oh, Hunt. Oh, okay, so this is basically like a really bright red, and she's kind of adding it here, so I guess I'll do that. I don't know if she's bringing it out, but I guess I'll just bring it up into the crease. I don't really know what she's asking for. When you oh, it's not blended. What did I do, y'all? We're gonna take another brush. I always do this, you know me. I always just go in with another brush to blend out the harsh edges, because I don't know about you guys, but I'm like bad at that kind of stuff. Like, I always just like lose track, and then I'm like pretty dumb, you know. You know, it's fine, whatever. I definitely have said this in a video, but I just found out fat means cool, and not like F-A-T, but P-H-A-T. Like, I actually didn't know that. And I feel like that was a meme, like fat mood, but I just always thought it meant like fat and not fat. Honestly, I'm living for this color combo though. It's like it's actually cute or whatever. I need to stop copying everyone. Yeah, oops.
Just kidding, I really don't copy people, you guys. I might get inspiration from them, but
you can think that. I know I don't, but. So she just told me to add Pool Party to my lower lashes, so I'm doing that right now. And it actually kind of concerns me because we didn't add concealer or anything yet. But basically I'm going to do my eyebrows. She just did her lashes and mascara too. So I'm just going to do my lashes off camera and also fix my eyebrows off camera because I sweat them off. Guys, I was babysitting from 8 to 4, so it's not my fault, Gosh. Now, where'd my phone go? Like, this is going to take like an hour. Like, are you serious? Like, you're really kidding me right now. So I'm back, and as you can tell, I added the lashes, and it really actually made this look really nice. I did kind of add a little bit of liner. She didn't do that in the tutorial, but I just wanted it to conceal my lash line because, guys, it was literally lash glue everywhere because, I don't know if you've noticed, I can't do my lashes on camera. Like, I get glue everywhere and, like, I have to redo it, like, 5 times, which is really sad.
Guys, like, I'm not allowed to, like, cheat. Guys, like, I'm not allowed to, like, cheat.
So, back to the tutorial because I want to follow it. And now she's putting on Milani foundation. Oh, that's really high coverage. So, in replacement for that, I'm going to be using the Dior foundation just because it's also very high coverage. And the Milani one, you know, wouldn't even work because it's too dark for me. So, just want to put that out there that I'm taking one for the team using this because it is too dark as well. If she uses a beauty blender, I'm going to cry because I don't feel like washing it.
What?
Oh, she is. And she's kind of like dragging it a little. I'm not dragging her, but like, it's fine. So she's just kind of like blending it all over her face. I don't understand how she's avoiding her eye makeup. Like, to me, that's like, how are you doing that? I usually don't do eyes. I mean, I guess sometimes I do eyes first, but I don't do lower lash line, if anything. Like, I just don't understand how she's missing that, you know? I don't really get it. And now she's using the Maybelline Where It Isn't. It was mine. Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Again, I don't get how she's missing it and is not gonna get it on her lower lash line. But, you know, we can just hope. We can hope, guys. Let's try it. So now she's using this MAC powder, not in this color. Ugh. She's using actually a different MAC powder, but they're both MAC powders, so close enough. And I love how none of my imperfections were covered because I have so many freckles that it just won't. And I know some people are gonna say,
If Nikki tutorials can, then why can't you?
because I don't want to use up my whole makeup bottle, you guys. I'm just setting so much of this. Oh my god, it got in my eye. Not even the powder, like the bristle from my brush. Her skin's so clear. Oh my god. Girl. How? And now she's going to contour. I don't think she used the Wet n Wild, but it looks close with like a powder and bronzer. So I'm just going to do that because it's the closest thing to that she has. Is she, oh wait, am I not supposed to contour the chin? Oh my gosh, I don't think I am. Right now she's just doing the cheekbones. Oh my god, the other day a thunderstorm hit my area. Okay, this is not chit chat, I just want to clear this up. And it scared me so bad. Like, it shook my house. So she's just kind of going like on the forehead, kind of in like a 3 it looks like the 3 motion that Kim Kardashian thinks she like invented. Yeah, I remember Kim. We remember. Now she's gonna highlight the inner corners of her eye. She didn't say what she used, so I'm just gonna use the light shades in the Jaclyn Hill palette because I assume that's what she's using. Oh, is she? She's not? Okay. Shut up, Julia, you can't sing. Is she adding blush now? Oh my god, I can't open my eye because of the thing. Ow. It looks like she added a kind of like cool tone blush, so I'm just gonna get my MAC one in the shade Pink Swoon, and I'm just adding this to my face. She did a different technique, which I'll do too because I just feel like it's kind of meant for the tutorial. I was kind of using my own brushes, but for this one I'm gonna use hers. She used a brush like this and just took it and kind of like placed it. Now for lips, she's adding a lip liner. Okay, a nude lip pencil. Okay. So, I have a nude lip pencil as well. 2 can play that game. I also have one in the shade Made in China.
That is not correct.
In the shade Bittersweet. And I'm just going to line it. It's from Ulta. I'm just cheap. I think she's filling them in all the way. Because she is adding a gloss on now. So, if she isn't, then I'm like, girl, what? She's adding like a coral blush. I don't really have a straight up coral. I have a pink. Oh, it tastes like the dentist. So this is her final pose. So thank you guys for watching. I'm actually like...
Oh, my camera just said it stopped recording.
Basically, Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Wow, my voice is so annoying. Like, I literally can't get over it. Oh, you said literally one more time. So, I know I missed like 2 days in uploading, but I'm literally gonna be back on my grind. I'm not babysitting for a while now. So, I'm gonna have videos up for you guys. I'm also gonna they're like good videos, they're like good quality videos, and you know, it'll be fun, it'll be great, it'll be cool. So, love you guys, and bye!